install video. So guys, here's my Retrospec bike. It's called Sully. It's a Klunker style bike. If you guys don't know what that is, it's pretty much an old school bike, mountain bike with no suspension. It's just straight frame with big tires, single speed. Just a basic bike for mountain bike. This is going to be an installation video, so let's get to it. So we just cut the top off right here, and this is how it's packaged. It's nicely done. We'll see if there's any damage, but I'm gonna cut some of these zip ties off and go from there. So there's 2 zip ties connected to the front bike, front tires. Easier, just take the whole point off. This is not heavy at all, guys. Alright, so we're doing it this way. This is actually my first bike I bought for myself. I haven't been on a bike since I was 10 years old, so there's a rubber band here, there's a seat here. Strapped to his front tire is strapped to the rubber band and onto the pedal. There you go. Just off this side. Let's see what's all here. Your seat, handlebar. Pedal. We got some tools, some instruction, and owner's manual. First things first, put on the seat. Seat on. I'm gonna actually put the pedals on real quick to go down here. Nicely labeled left, right, left. Nicely labeled left and right. Nice two there. Get that nice and tight. Let's do this side now. I'll show you guys. There you go. Pedals on. Let's do the handlebars real quick. I'll be useful if I use some of these Allen wrenches. that. Alright, what's next? Let's put the front wheel on. I'll probably flip the whole bike over. That'd be easier. There you go. Look at that. This tire has the rotation. You guys see that? So it goes on one way. It's this way. This is on the bolts. Those ones less. Probably not take the old. Not off. There's washer off as well. On both. So she good. Nice time. Oh, I guess you might have to take both nut off. Nope. There you go. Tighten that up yet. Guess I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. This has like this washer where it locks into this hole, and here's your nut. There's one on each side. All right, I'll flip it back over. Kickstand. The handlebar is not straight with the wheel. The wheel is straight with the frame, but the handlebar is not. So I need to loosen that bolt, loosen this bolt. Sweet. Officially together. I just need to pump up the tires. This bike is make sure you check all the bolts, right? Some of these were really loose. I know these are add-ons. They were loose. I didn't take this cover off yet, but probably just leave that on. I had issue with this banging up against this part of it, so I had to stretch it out. It's not that big of a deal. This was loose. That was loose. It was small stuff. Just make sure you guys check all your bolts and screws. Just make sure before you start riding your bike. But it's a solid bike. For what I paid for it, it's not bad, considering this is like literally my first bike in like 2 decades. I don't have anything compared to. So this is my review, guys. Solid bike. What?